Hello and welcome everyone. I missed that. Today I have another firearm I was able to get by His grace. This was something I was looking at. I had my eyes on it for a long time. Finally, Buds, thank you Buds, they had a great budget price for this. It is a limited edition Walther. I don't want to break the suspense. It is the white Walther WMP 22 mag. White Walther WMP 22 mag. It is clear. I have not used this gun so far. I've taken it apart. I've looked at it, but I've never shot a round off of it. I'm not going to do any shots with it today either. I don't know, I got it for the looks, just to have it. I wanted a different color, which I've never had a white gun. I've had many different colors. I still have different color other than a white one, and this one came on a very budget price, $2.99. It's hard to beat. I don't know if you can beat $2.99 for a Walther 22 mag. And the only gun I know that has ambi mag release, not just ambi mag release, 4 mag release. So it has one here, one here, one here, and then here. Let me take the chamber flag off. Comes with 2 magazines. However, the restrictions did not allow them to send the 15 round magazine, so I have 10 round magazines which I had to purchase separately, but they're available. You can get 10 round magazines if you are on a limited state. So, well, whether it's constitutional or not, I'll leave that to the experts. I don't think it is constitutional to limit the number of rounds that you can carry on your given right. So I'll leave that to that, not getting into the weeds of it. So let's see what all comes with it. It comes ready for a red dot, and then some different kinds of plates for the red dot that comes with. And then under here it has standard stuff. It actually came in this cover, was sitting in this cover when I got it. I don't want to lose the cover, so I kept the cover inside here. Comes with a lock if any of you wants to use it. I have it locked up in my cabinets. And then the instruction manual. Well written instruction manual so far that I've gone through. And very good round. 22 mag is a very nice round to shoot. Very easy to get used to, especially if you're a new shooter. So that's there are a few rounds like that that are like 22 mag, 5.7 rock from Palmetto, stuff like that. Yeah, those rounds are very nice. So anyways, so that's it for now. Again, WMP. I'm actually going to take it apart, so we'll see how it is. There was a small hiccup when I had to take it apart. So take it apart, you have to lock it back all the way, so it's locked with the magazine, and then you have to turn this down and then release the slide, and it pulls out, right? So now release the mag, it comes apart. Spring is not that hard, it's easy to come off. Take it out. It's a very chunky barrel. Needs some cleaning on the inside due to the test fires and everything. Now putting it back in. This goes back the way it came. The other way around. Oh, this goes in here, and then, oh, the barrel was not fully seated. Alright, put that in. Seats. Now the tricky part, right? So you pull all the way back and lock it, and you want to lock it back. No matter what you do, it will not go back. Like, it's very hard. But then I found out it's because your barrel protrudes a little bit. So push your barrel in a little bit, and here we go, it went in. So we show you again, if the barrel is out a little bit, this will not go in. If it's not going back in, if you have the same model, it's because your barrel is out, it's not fully seated. Push it in, and then lock, goes back in very easily. Alright, so, and after that, put your magazine in. There you go. So that is the only hiccup I had when I got it. I was very hard to find. Nobody had a video showing like why it won't go back in. So I was thinking I don't want to miss that when I make this, right? So that's one thing I didn't want to forget. I think I was able to read various forums, and one of the forums, just one person responded in somebody's question saying like, whenever you have that issue, just tap your barrel or push your barrel backwards to seat it, and then that's what I tried. It worked. So hope this has helped you in many ways. Another thing that I just noticed, which I did not, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I just flagged myself, but I know it's empty. So here it's not fully seated correctly. This rear side is not aligned either. So when you get it, you might wanna, oh, you can push it with your hand. I don't know how that's gonna play. I have a tool to do it. Usually I use that, but this one, it does not have any screw or anything to tighten it either, and I was able to move it with my hand. So I hope it stays. We'll see. Alright, there you go. That's pretty much it for now. Wrapping up. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. I hope you liked it. Keep watching more videos if you can, and subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.